Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the More Analytics Afternoon Energy Podcast for February 3rd, going into the 4th. To start off with natural gas. Okay, sort of a quiet day of consolidation here. Maintain gap higher tomorrow. We'll leave a minor bullish reversal below. The failure below 383 warned of pressure. We've come off 675 ticks. So we're now in a bearish correction trend against the move up from 257.80 with possible exhaustion to contend with on the way down at 297.30. But it's too early yet for that to hold more than temporarily. And I said that yesterday we left a minor bearish reversal warned about above. Then we came off 382 ticks from the 353.770 open. And then the break below 348.30 brought in 328 ticks of pressure. That was the break back below this line. Okay, and the crude oil. I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff. We held exhaustion at 66.49 to 66.60 with the 66.48 high and rolled over $5.36. Then the trade below 62.66 brought in $1.54 pressure. But I said that decent trade back above will warn of renewed strength. Also, I said that yesterday we left a bearish reversal above warned about. A maintain gap higher tomorrow. We'll leave a minor bullish reversal below. Again, today is a good example. Obviously, we're back above this line, so it's bullish again now. But we didn't get back above that till later in the day. And the RBOB was the first to break above its formation this morning right in here. Giving you a heads up for that. Plus, the RBOB to heat spread had turned bullish yesterday as well, breaking above these formations. And the RBOB crack is also bullish, missing its stop down here by about 4 ticks. Interesting. And then the heat crack is bearish. So the RBOB is leading the upside in this charge. That's what gave you the heads up on the crude early before we actually saw the break above this line in here. But now this is bullish as well. Decent failure below this formation will warrant a decent pressure. That's going to come in at 61.32. Plus 1.2 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Decent break below there will project this downward $2 minimum, $4.50 plus maximum. And the RBOB maintain gap higher tomorrow. We'll leave a minor bullish reversal below. I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff in there. Trade below 190.19 brought in 7.13 cents pressure. I said the trade above 190.18. This should say below, sorry. Oh no, I'm saying the trade above 190.18 brought in 6.93 cents of strength before failing back below where it came in at 189.98, which now warrants a pressure. We came off $4.15 cents from that. That was the break above here, and then we broke back down below it there. That's where we saw the pressure, or excuse me, back below it over here. But we broke above this formation right in here. I said this is coming in strong on the day. We rallied for the rest of the day. And I said a break back above decently, look for decent strength. So we saw that above 185.07 right in here, and we rallied for the rest of the day. Plus, we got back above this formation, which was bullish. And now we are back above this formation, which is also bullish. If this was to roll back over and take out this formation down below, that would warrant a decent pressure. That's going to come in at $183.42 plus 2.6 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. In the heating oil, maintain gap higher tomorrow. We'll leave a minor bullish reversal below. The break back below at 250.77 brought in 17.43 cents of pressure. A couple other bearish formations in here as well you can read through. We also broke below a formation here and back above it, which currently has it bullish, although I did not have this written on the early AM analysis. But nonetheless, that has it bullish. If we further break above this formation here at 242.37, plus 8 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. That'll warn of decent strength. We fell back down through this formation. That'll warn of renewed pressure. That's going to come in at 237.28. Plus 4 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. The Brent, a maintain gap higher tomorrow. We'll leave a minor bullish reversal below. We held exhaustion above at 70.15 to 25 with a 70.58 high and rolled over $5.39 into what I thought is a bearish correction or trend up against the move up from 58.45. So we'll have to see if this rolls back over again as well as the other ones. But right now, it's looking strong. If we were to fail back down through this formation, that's going to warrant a decent pressure. That's going to come in at 65.83. Plus 1.4 per hour starting at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Gas oil will maintain gap higher. We'll leave a minor bullish reversal below. The trade below 690.25 had brought in 27.75 coming into today. For sure covering off the low, as well as a break below 682.25, bringing in 19.75 pressure. If we get back above this upper line here, not the lower one, but the upper one, which is going to come in at 693.42 plus 8 per hour, starting at 8 o'clock p.m., that'll warrant a decent strength. And the cadence going into tomorrow is the RBOB is the strongest of the three, the heating oil in the middle, and the crude the weakest of the three relative to one another. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you have a good evening, and I'll see you on tomorrow's podcast.